Okay, this is my other ocean kayak set up for fishing. I have a ocean kayak capper, but now I got this TETRA 12. So you can see it's a TETRA 12. All right, I just finished building this PVC rail holders. Okay, let's start from the front. Oh, I also built this little trailer with my welder machine. I got the wheels at Harbor Freight for $6 each. So I'll build it so I can pull the kayak over there with my electrical bicycle. This is my e-bike. It's a Giant that I set it for electric. That's the electric motor. I hooked the trailer here, and that's how I pull it. I live close to the beach, so I have no problems with the traffic. So everything is self-explanatory. Most of the things, you can see it. It's the handle to transport it. Front hatch. Okay. In there you have I have a dry box, Plano dry box with a cigarette lighter plug with a 12-volt battery inside. Okay. And since this cover has a rubber sealant, I can easily just put the cables this way, and I have no problems with water getting inside whatsoever. So this is another PVC job that I did to get 2 rows in front and the 2 in the back. Okay. Alright. I'm also this plate and this plate right here out of aluminum on my welder, so I had to do that. This is my Lowrance Elite 3X color display. I do have my dry box for cell phone, my pedal. It's a nice pedal, not too expensive. It's a Shoreline Marine. It's right there. Okay, I have it with a leash, but I also made it myself. You can see, not bad at all. It works. This is my Bass Pro Shop Kayak. The ocean kayak, the kayak came with this seat, so I just fold it down when I transport it. Everybody knows that. Let me see, but let me show you how it works. Just clip it right here, and that's how it is. This is my tackle box. It's a dry box that I pick at Walmart. It's full of goodies. See? Yeah, my dog stick, golf cost version. Okay. Here I got my fishing tackle here. Okay. This is a PVC work that I just did today, so I can throw these 2 rods. You can see, we go to the front so you can see how they are in angle. You can see it. Alright, this is another cooler. It's really cool because it has this right there, so I just put my hand in it, reach for drinks or food, whatever I got in there. Yep, it's got the everything is secure Make sure if nothing get lost in the water. Alright. So I'm running the cable for the transducer, the side of the kayak. No big deal. It's just there. It's not going anywhere. Because I wanted to have the transducer. I'm sorry, outside the kayak. I didn't want to put it through on the hole inside. So this is how it is. Yeah, I'll build this thing too. I'll build it. Well, little piece right there. Transducer goes over there. Over here, I just put a red light. So when I'm on my bike going to the beach or coming back from it, will be more visible for the people driving, so you can see. So people can see me from behind more easily when they see the red light flashing, you know. So see what I got here. Okay. Yep. I'm sorry. Okay. Got it the wrong way. Okay. So you can see it's pretty simple. Not too fancy, not too expensive. There's a lot of road holders over there, but I didn't like them. So for some reason this worked better for me. I can paint him, you know, and make it look better. I don't need them to look nice. I just need them to work. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.